Welcome to Edu Automate Hub, where we journey through the wonders of the universe. Today, we're exploring the vast, beautiful, and mysterious structures known as galaxies. What are galaxies, how are they formed, and what different types exist in the universe? Let's find out. A galaxy is a massive system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all bound together by gravity. Galaxies can range in size from a few million stars to over 1 trillion stars, and they come in various shapes and sizes. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. But how do galaxies form? The process began over 13 billion years ago, shortly after the Big Bang. As the universe expanded and cooled, tiny fluctuations in the density of matter caused gas clouds to come together under gravity. Over millions of years, these clouds formed the first stars, and groups of stars started to merge, creating the earliest galaxies. Even today, galaxies continue to grow and evolve by merging with other galaxies and accumulating gas to form new stars. There are several types of galaxies, classified mainly based on their shapes. The 4 main types are spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, irregular galaxies, lenticular galaxies. Let's explore each of these in more detail. Spiral galaxies are perhaps the most recognizable type of galaxy, thanks to their stunning, spiral-shaped arms. These arms wind out from a central bulge, where a supermassive black hole often resides. The arms are full of young, bright stars, as well as clouds of gas and dust where new stars are forming. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy. Another famous example is the Andromeda Galaxy, which is the closest spiral galaxy to us and is on a collision course with the Milky Way, although that collision won't happen for another 4 billion years. Next, we have elliptical galaxies. Unlike the flat, disc-like shape of spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies are more rounded, like a stretched-out sphere. They can range from nearly circular to more elongated, almost cigar-shaped forms. Elliptical galaxies tend to have older, redder stars and very little gas or dust, which means new star formation is rare. These galaxies are often the result of collisions between smaller galaxies. The largest galaxies in the universe, known as giant elliptical galaxies, can contain over 1 trillion stars. Irregular galaxies don't fit neatly into the spiral or elliptical categories. As their name suggests, they have irregular, chaotic shapes. These galaxies often form as a result of gravitational interactions with other galaxies, which can distort their shape. Irregular galaxies can be full of gas and dust, leading to active star formation. Some famous examples include the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, which are satellite galaxies of the Milky Way and can be seen from the southern hemisphere. Finally, we have lenticular galaxies, which are something of a hybrid between spiral and elliptical galaxies. They have a central bulge like elliptical galaxies, but also a disc-like structure similar to spiral galaxies. However, unlike spirals, lenticular galaxies don't have prominent spiral arms. These galaxies often have older stars and little gas, which suggests that they may have once been spiral galaxies that lost most of their gas and dust, halting star formation. An example of a lenticular galaxy is NGC 5866, also known as the Spindle Galaxy. Galaxies don't just exist in isolation, they are often found in groups and clusters. These clusters can contain thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity, and sometimes, galaxies within these clusters will collide. While the idea of galaxies colliding may sound violent, the vast distances between stars mean that actual star collisions are rare. Instead, the galaxies pass through each other, mixing their gas and triggering bursts of new star formation. One of the most mysterious aspects of galaxies is dark matter. Although we can't see it directly, dark matter makes up about 85% of the total mass of a galaxy. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, but we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter plays a critical role in holding galaxies together and influencing their rotation. To summarize, galaxies are the building blocks of the universe, each one a massive system of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. From the beautiful spirals to the massive ellipticals, irregular shapes, and lenticular hybrids, galaxies come in many forms, each telling its own story about the history and evolution of the universe. Understanding galaxies helps us learn more about how stars form, how they evolve, and even the nature of the universe itself. And as we continue to peer deeper into space, who knows what new types of galaxies we might discover. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the universe of galaxies. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest cosmic explorations. Have a question about galaxies or a favorite type of galaxy? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.